I just finished trying that video for a second time. See how cold my hands are. It's a little bit cold today, but I'm trying to get as many videos in as I can before it's officially too cold to ride. Which, judging by my hands, would be right now, but that's fine. Still got a little bit more time to ride around before work. I just realized I should have posted a reel while I was pulled over, but I forgot to do that. I'll do it when I get home. One thing I did want to say, I wanted to give a shout out to GoPro, like the company, because I know I just had an issue with it while recording the last video, which I'm worried to find out what all happened when I get home, but I will eventually. Yeah, I know I just had an issue with it, and I've been having issues with it for a couple weeks now, but I called them about it to see what my options were and what I could do. They were super friendly and helpful. The guy I talked to on the phone, I think his name was Christian, I don't remember, but he asked me what I was using the GoPro for, which I'm sure like they have to see if you're kind of fucking with it. And when I told him it was for like riding and stuff, he got super excited and was telling me how he also has an R6 and he has the same GoPro and that he uses it for his riding too. And he's super like friendly. He was all happy to talk about riding and making videos. And they ended up sending me a new battery because that's the issue with mine. The battery for some reason is shot. I don't know why, it just like went bad, but it did, which sucks, but it happens. But they said they were going to send me a new one completely free to replace this one, which hopefully fixes the problem, and it's going to be a huge help, because like I said, I've been having a lot of issues with this thing lately and getting it to charge and stuff like that. So if this new one fixes my problem, that's going to be a big help. I just wanted to say shout out to them for doing that. It was great customer service. It was very friendly and helpful. They went over a few things to try to troubleshoot it and see what the problems were. And then said they would send me a new one for free. Which, things like that don't really happen a lot in my experience. Companies usually kind of say like, oh, well, that sucks, just buy a new one. Like the one Thunderbolt batteries, fuck you guys. I sent an email months ago because you ruined my Xbox controller and got no response. So, like, companies like that suck. Whereas GoPro said, oh, your battery went bad, we'll send you a new one for free. So I appreciate stuff like that, especially from big companies. But I just wanted to give a quick shout out to the company and the customer service worker I talked to for helping me out. No, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. Wouldn't mind being sponsored. That would be pretty cool. But this isn't like an ad or a promotion or anything like that. I just wanted to put that out there that like I appreciate them doing that. This turn should be more fun now that I have new tires. It does really suck though that it's this cold now, because the last video I just recorded today is supposed to go up on Christmas Eve. This video will go up January 9th. So like I'm not that far into next year at all, and it's about to be too cold to go riding. Like, I'm gonna have to wear long sleeves under my hoodie next time, and that still won't be enough. So like, I'm disappointed at how far behind I am, because it just happened quick. Literally 2 days ago it was 70, and now it's like 48. So it came quick, which isn't good. That's what she said. So I'm gonna try to get as many more recorded as I can and uploaded, but I don't have a whole lot longer. And I also have military stuff coming up in less than 2 weeks, so I'm not gonna have much time. I'm curious what color my hand is right now. Place your bets in the comments before I get my hand out. Don't cheat. And if you're right, you'll get a thumbs up. I don't know. Alright, let's find out. Purple. Nice. White and purple. My thumb is completely purple. But it's mainly white for the most part. But if you said white or purple, I mean, obviously it's gonna be white, but white is in like ghost pale. I'm gonna cut through canvas today. The plan tomorrow is to get my bike inspected and be legal again. It's gonna be a chilly ride to get there, but means done. Speaking of being legal, if they hurry up, we can get the green arrow. Sweet. I'm gonna head home just because, like you saw, my hand is purple, so I should probably go warm it up a little bit. I'd rather not lose it, so I think I'm gonna go defrost, thaw out. Second to last shift in my current job, thank God. Hate that place. I explained why in another video. I don't hate the place, it's just a specific person that ruins the job. So, luckily they're not there tonight, I don't have to deal with it. Oh, they rode their R6 to work today. It's pretty ballsy because it's cold. I don't know why I just said that, because I'm doing the same thing. But anyways, yeah, that's enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the last video I recorded turns out fine. It said it repaired my file, so I don't know if it meant like fix the video. I'm hoping, but I'll find out when I start editing. But yeah, that's gonna be all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you want to sub, I also appreciate that.